Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, there is another magic of our indicator is recently we have added some more time frame. So as per default entry, today we got all the targets hit. As per evening market, today we got all the targets hit. Let me show you another magic of the indicator. See here, I'm running the market. So this is with a different time frame. So this option also available in the same indicator. You don't have to pay anything extra. If you are new to our indicator, please subscribe to our indicator by selecting any of the plans available. And if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Also subscribe to our free Telegram channel. So now see here, market if it is coming to 9153, we will be buying. We don't know whether market will come to 9153 or not. Nobody knows in the world. Okay, just we are expecting. See here, exactly market has come down and touched our 9153 buy entry. Look at the low. What is the low? The low made was 9151. See here at the top, I have kept the cursor there. So exact low made was 9151 and our entry was at 9153. So exactly our targets hit. So our first target is 9195, it is hit. Second target 9236, it is also hit. Once again it came near to our cost to cost entry, but it is not hit our cost to cost. After the first target, our SL will be cost to cost. See here the second low made was 9158 only. Our cost to cost stop loss was 9153. So now exactly all the targets have been hit and even extra target also hit. So the high made 9329 and our last target was 9319. Now I can show you why the market is reversing here. Why the market is reversing here. Coming here and give reset settings. See here. Exactly as per our day trade, it is getting reversed. Default setup, it is getting reversed. Okay. So now by default it is in small stop loss. I will keep in tiny and tiny targets. So here also the tiny target have been hit. See, one indicator perfectly hitting all the targets in all type of markets. It is very rare to see such an accurate indicator. So don't miss this wonderful opportunity. Really it is a magic indicator. It is giving the magical levels, magical zones of all the script, not only crude oil, all the script of the markets. Thank you all for watching us.